Unit 3 Symmetry Key Cryptography. The objectives of this symmetry key cryptography is to distinguish between two crypto systems, symmetric key and asymmetric key. To introduce the trapdoor one-way functions and their use in asymmetric key crypto systems. To introduce the knapsack crypto systems as one of the first ideas in asymmetric key cryptography. To discuss the RSA crypto system, to discuss the Robin crypto system, to discuss the Jamal crypto system, and to discuss the elliptic curve crypto system. Introduction. Symmetric and asymmetric key cryptography will exist in parallel and continue to serve the community. We actually believe that they are complements of each other. The advantages of one can compensate for the disadvantages of the other. Symmetric and asymmetric cryptography will exist in parallel and continue to serve the community. We actually believe that they are complements of each other. The advantages of one that can compensate for the disadvantages of other. Symmetric cryptography is based on the sharing secrecy, and asymmetric key cryptography is based on the personal secrecy. Keys. Asymmetric key cryptography that uses the two separate keys, one private and one public, locking and unlocking in a asymmetric key crypto systems. So here is the Bob's public key encryption algorithm for allies, and the public key locks, the private key unlocks. This is the communication direction, and this one is the Bob to the receiver side. By using the decryption algorithm, the original information will get by the Bob. General idea. The general idea of asymmetric key crypto system is to public key distribution channel. It is passed to the key generation procedure, and finally the private key it is used for the decryption, and the public key that is used for the encryption. Plain text / hypertext. Unlike in symmetric key cryptography, plain text and hypertext are treated as integers in asymmetric key cryptography. Encryption or decryption. C is equal to f of k public comma p. P is equal to g of k private comma c. There is a very important fact that is sometimes misunderstood. The advent of asymmetric key cryptography that does not eliminate the need for symmetric key cryptography. The main idea behind asymmetric key cryptography is the concept of the trapdoor one-way function. A function as a rule that mapping a domain to a range. Domain set A and set B is a range. Y is equal to f of x. One-way function OWF. First step f is easy to compute. Second step f of minus 1. F power minus 1 is difficult to compute. Trapdoor one-way function TOWF. Step 3 given y and a trapdoor x that can be computed easily. Continued. When n is large, n is equal to p into q is a one-way function. Given p and q, it is always easy to calculate n. Given n, it is very difficult to compute p and q. This is the factorization problem. Example 10.2. When n is large, the function y is equal to x power k mod n is a trapdoor one-way function. Given x comma k and n, it is easy to calculate y. Given y comma k and n, it is very difficult to calculate x. This is the discrete logarithmic problem. However, if we know the trapdoor k dash such that k into k dash is equal to 1 mod of f of n, so we can use x is equal to y power k dash mod n to find the value of the x. Knapsack crypto system definition. A is equal to a1 a2 up to ak, and x is equal to x1 comma x2 up to xk. S is equal to snaps num of a comma x is equal to x1 a1 plus x2 a2 plus up to xk ak. Given a and x, it is easy to calculate s. However, given s and a, it is difficult to find a x. Super increasing tuple ai less than or equal to a1 plus a2 plus up to a minus 1. Continued. Knapsack sum x of 1 minus k 1 up to k comma a of 1 up to k curly braces open, s gives 0, for I is equal to 1 to k, curly braces open, s, that gives s plus ai into xi, written as in Knap's of sum s comma a of 1 up to k open for I is equal to k down to 1. If s that are less than or is equal to a of I, so xi that gives 1, s that gives s minus ai, close, else xi is it gives 0, written x of 1 up to k. So this is a very trivial example. Assume that a 17, 25, 46, 94, 201, 400 and is equal to 272 are given. Table 10.1 shows how the tuple x is found using a IMV-Knap's sum routine in algorithm 10.1. In this case, x is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, which means that 25, 46 and 201 are in the knapsack. And the values of I, a, s and xi in the example 10.3 is given here. And this is the diagram that shows how secret communication with Snapshot crypto system. Plain text that are given for the encryption. Finally, we are getting the plain text by performing the decryption. This is a trivial, very insecure example just to show the procedure. Key generation both creates the super increasing tuple b is equal to 7, 11, 19, 39, 79, 157, 313. B, Bob chooses the modules n is equal to 900 and r is equal to 37 and 4, 2, 5, 3, 1, 7, 6 as a permutation table. C, both now calculates the tuple t is equal to 259, 407, 703, 543, 223, 409, 781. Bob calculates the tuple a is equal to permute of t, which is equal to 543, 407, 223, 703, 259, 781, 409. C, Bob publicly announces a that keeps n, r, and b secret. Step 2. Suppose Alice wants to send a single character G to Bob. She uses a 7-bit ASCII representation of G 1100 of 2 base 2 and it creates the tuple x is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the plain text. So now Alice that calculates is equal to snapshot of a, x is equal to 2165. This is the ciphertext that is sent to the Bob. RSA crypto system. The most common public key algorithm is the RSA crypto system that named its for inventors Reversed, Shamir and Adelman. And complexity of operations in RSA that uses a modular exponentiation for encryption, decryption. To attack it, it needs to calculate the power of e root c, the power of e mod n. So encryption, decryption key generation in RSA. Two algebraic structures, encryption, decryption ring. So R is equal to less than of Zn, plus, into, and key generation group is equal to G is equal to less than of Z f of n star, x. RSA that uses the two algebraic structures, a public ring and a private group G. Public ring R and private group G. In RSA, the tuple e, n in the public key, the integer d is the private key. This is the RSA key generation. Select two large primes p and q such that p it is not equal to q. So n that gives p into q. So pi n is equal to pi n that gives p minus 1 into q minus 1. Select e such that 1 that gives to the e the less than or e less than of pi n and e is the coprime to pi n. So d that gives e power minus 1 mod pi n, public key gives e, n, private key gives d. So return public key and private key. RSA encryption p, e, n. C that gives the fast exponential of p, e, n. Finally return C. In RSA p and q and that must be at least 512 bits, n that must be at least 1024 bits. RSA decryption. RSA decryption C, d, n. P that gives fast exponential, C, D, N, return P. Proof of RSA. If n is equal to P into Q, A less than n, and K is an integer, then a to the power of K by n plus 1 is equal to A mod n. Some trivial examples. Bob chooses 7 and 11 as a P and Q and calculates 7 is equal to 77, n is equal to 77. The value of f of n is equal to n minus 1, 11 minus 1 are 60. Now he chooses two exponents E and D from z of 60. If he chooses E to be 13, then D is 37. Note that E into D mod 60 is equal to 1. They are inverses of each. Now imagine that Alice wants to send the plain text 5 to Bob. She uses the public exponent 13 to encrypt 5. So plain text of 5 is equal to plain text 5. C is equal to 5 to the power of 13, which is equal to 26 mod 77. Here the ciphertext is equal to 26. So now the Bob receives the ciphertext 26 and uses the private key 37 to decipher the ciphertext. Here the ciphertext is 26. P is equal to 26 to the power of 37 is equal to 5 mod 77. So here the plain text is 5. Now assume that another person, John, that wants to send a message to Bob. John can use the same public key announced by Bob, probably on his website. 13. John's plain text is 63. So now the John calculates the following. Plain text 63, C is equal to 63 to the power of 13, which is equal to 28 mod of 77. Here the ciphertext 28. Now Bob receives the ciphertext 28 and uses his private key 37 to decipher her ciphertext. Decipher the ciphertext. So now here the ciphertext 28, P is equal to plain text P is equal to 28 part of 37 is equal to 63 mod 77. So now the plain text is equal to 63. Jennifer creates a pair of key for herself. So she chooses a P is equal to 397 and Q is equal to 401. She calculates n is equal to 159197. She then calculates f of n is equal to 158400. She then chooses E is equal to 343 and D is equal to 12007. Show how D can send a message to Jennifer if he knows E and N. Suppose D wants to send a message no to Jennifer. He changes each character to a number from 00 to 25. With each character that coded as 2 digits, he then concatenates the 2 coded characters and gets a 4-digit number. The plain text is 1314. Figure 10.7 that shows the process. Here the encryption decryption. There is a DIN example 10.7. TED that sends the signal no, which is encoded. Here the P is equal to 1314 and it is given to the ciphertext 1314 to the power of T43 mod 159197. Here it uses the private key. Now the C is equal to 33677. That is passed to the decryption mode. So here now the ciphertext that is converted into the plain text by using the private key. So P is equal to 33677 part 12007 mod 159197. Here the key is 12007. Now the P is equal to 1317, that is decoded no. Finally the Jennifer will get the information no. Attacks on RSA. Taxonomy of potential attacks on RSA. Potential attacks on RSA: factorization, chosen ciphertext, encryption component, exponent, decryption exponent. For encryption exponent, copper mesh, broadcast, related messages and shortpad. For decryption exponent, revealed and low exponent. For plain text, short message, cyclic and unconcealed. For modulus, common modulus. For implementation, timing and power. Optimal asymmetric encryptic padding, OAEP. So this is the diagram that represents the sender and receiver for optical asymmetric encryption padding. Here M is the padded messages and R is the one-time random number, P is the plain text, C is the ciphertext, G is a public function, K bit to M bit, and H is the public function, M bit to the K bit. Example 10.8. Here is a more realistic example. We choose 512 bit P and Q, calculate n and f of n, then choose a E and test for relative primeness with f of n. We then calculate D. Finally, we show the results of encryption and decryption. The integer P is a 159 digit number. So, P is given to the 512 bits and key is also a 512 bits here. The modulus n is equal to P into Q. It has 307 digits. So, now the n is equal to 307 digits. So, they are finding the f of n is equal to P minus 1 comma Q minus 1 has 309 digits. So, pi of n they are finding the 309 digits. So, Bob chooses E is equal to 35535. The ideal is 65537 and test it is make sure that it is relatively prime with f of n. He then finds the inverse of E modulo f of n and calls it D. So, here E is equal to 35535, D is equal to bits. Alice wants to send a message. This is a test which can be changed to a numeric value using the 00 to 26 encoding scheme. Here 26 is the space character. So, P is the space character. The ciphertext calculated by Alice C is P to the power of E, which is C is equal to bits given here. So, Bob that can recover the plain text from the ciphertext using P is equal to C power T, which is P is equal to the given bits here. The recovered plain text is this is a test after decoding. Robin crypto system. The Robin crypto system that can be thought of as an RSA crypto system in which the value of E and D are fixed. The encryption is C equal to P power mod of n and the decryption is P is equal to C power 1 by 2 mod of n. This is the Robin crypto system between the Alain and Bob. The plain text that are converted to the ciphertext. So, finally, using the public private key, it is again converted into the plain text. Procedure key generation. Key generation for Robin key is a crypto system. Robin key generation, choose two large primes P and Q in the form of 4K plus 3 and P which is not equal to Q. Here n that gives P into Q. Public key gives n. Private key gives Q minus Q comma n. Return public key and private key. For encryption in a Robin crypto system n comma P open C that gives P square mod n return C. For decryption in Robin crypto system decryption P comma Q comma C open A1 that gives C to the power of P plus 1 by 4 mod P, A2 which gives minus C to the power of P plus 1 by 4 mod P, B1 plus C of Q plus 1 power 4 mod Q, B2 that gives the minus C to the power of Q plus 1 by 4 mod Q. The algorithm for the Chinese remainder algorithm is calculated for 4 times. P1 that gives Chinese remainder of A1, B1, PQ, P comma Q, P2 Chinese remainder A1, B2, P comma Q, P3 Chinese remainder A2, comma B1, comma P comma Q, P4 Chinese remainder A2, B2, P comma Q, return P1, comma P2, comma P3 and P4. Finally, close the curly braces. The Robin crypto system is not deterministic decryption that creates 4 plain text. Here is a very trivial example to show the idea. 1. Bob selects P is equal to 23 and Q is equal to 7. Note that both are congruent to 3 mod 4. Bob calculates n is equal to P into Q is equal to 161. Bob announces n publicly. He keeps P and Q private. Alice wants to send a plain text P is equal to 24. Note that 161 and 24 are relatively prime. Here 24 is in Z base 161 char. She calculates C is equal to 24 square is equal to 93 mod 161 and sends the ciphertext 93 to Bob. Step 5. Bob receives 93 and calculates 4 values. So, A1 is equal to plus 93, 23 plus 1 by 4 mod 23 is equal to 1 mod 23. A2 is equal to minus 93 power 23 plus 1 by 4 mod 23 is equal to 22 mod 23. B1 is equal to plus 93 of A plus 1 power minus 4 divided by 4 mod 7 is equal to 4 mod 7. Bt is equal to minus 93 power 7 plus 4 by 4, 7 plus 1 by 4, mod 7 is equal to 3 mod 7. Step 6. Bob takes 4 possible answers, A1, B1, A2, B2, A2, B1 and A2, B2, and uses the Chinese remainder theorem to find 4 possible plain text 116, 24, 137 and 45. Note that only the second answer is Alice plain text. Elgamal crypto system. Besides RSA and Robin, another public key crypto system is Elgamal AIG. It is based on the discrete logarithmic problem discussed. Key generation, encryption and decryption in Elgamal, Alice, Bob, plain text that are given here, and that is encrypted, and through the public key finally they get the plain text by using the private key decryption. Here key generation, select P very large prime, select E1 primitive root, select D, finally E2 is equal to E1 part D mod P. The same key generation of Elgamal key generation, select a large prime P, select D that to be a member of group G that gives less than of ZB star minus comma X, such that one that gives D to the P minus 2, and select E1 that to be the primitive root in the group G. E2 gives E1 of part D mod P. Public key that gives E1 comma E2 comma P. Private key gives D. Return public key and private key. Close. This is the power of integers of modulo 19. So the table that are used for the values from 8 to 15 and 1 to 18 given here. Encryption, E1 E2 P, select a random integer R in the group G, and C1 that gives E1 or mod P, C2 that gives P into E2 or mod P, return C1 and D2. Close. Continued decryption, D, B, C1, C2, P gives C2 of C1 of D minus 1 mod P, return P1. The bit operation complexity of encryption or decryption in Elgamal crypto system is polynomial. Here is a trivial example. Bob chooses P is equal to 11 and E1 is equal to 2 and D is equal to 3, E2 is equal to E1 part D is equal to 8. So the public keys are 2, 8, 11 and the private key is 3. Alice chooses R is equal to 4 and calculates C1 and C2 for the plain text 7. So plain text 7, E is equal to E1 to the power of R mod 11 is equal to 16 mod 11 is equal to 5 mod 11. C2 is equal to P into E base 2 of R mod 11 is equal to 7 into 4096 mod 11 is equal to 6 mod 11. Here ciphertext is 5,6. So now Bob receives the ciphertext 5,6 and calculates the plain text. Instead of using P is equal to C2 into C1 part D minus 1 mod P for encryption, so we can avoid the calculation for multiplicative inverse and use P is equal to C2 into C1 per P minus 1 minus D mod P. See Fermat's little theorem in chapter 9. In example 10.10, we can calculate P is equal to 6 into 5 to the power of 11 minus 1 minus 3 mod 11. So finally we can get 7 mod 11. So for the Elgamal crypto system, P that must be at least 300 digits and R that must be new for each encipherment. Here is example another one. Bob that uses the random integer of 512 bits. The integer P is a 155 digit number. The ideal is 300 digits. Bob then chooses E1, D and calculates E base 2 as shown below. Here B is the number of digits given here. Here E1 is equal to 2, D is equal to 1007 and E2 the number of digits is given here. So Alice that has a plain text P 3200 to send a Bob. She chooses R is equal to 545131, calculates C1 and C2 and sends them to the Bob. So here P is equal to 3200, R is equal to 545131. C is the given bits here. C2 is equal to the number of bits given here. So now the Bob that calculates the plain text P is equal to C2 into C1 of D power minus 1 mod B, which is equal to 3200 mods P. Now finally P is equal to 3200. Elliptic curve crypto system. Although RSC and LGML are secure asymmetric key crypto system, their security comes with the price. They are large keys. Researchers have looked for alternatives that give the same level of security with smaller key sizes. One of these promising alternatives in the elliptic curve crypto systems ECC. The general equation for an elliptic curve is y square plus b1xy plus b2y is equal to x power 3 plus a1 of a1 x square plus a2 of x plus a3. Elliptic curves over real numbers use a special class of elliptic curves of the form y square is equal to x cube plus ax plus b. The example given here is figure 10.12 shows two elliptic curves with the equations y square is equal to x cube minus 4x and y square is equal to x cube minus 1. Both are non-singular. However, the first has three real roots, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. But the second has only one real root, x equal to 1 and two imaginary ones, two elliptic curves over a real field. So this is the diagram that represents the three real roots. Y square is equal to x cube minus 4x and b, one real and two imaginary roots. Y square is equal to x cube minus 1, one real and two imaginary roots. Okay, and continued three adding cases in an elliptic curve. Figure A that shows R is equal to P plus Q, and figure B that shows R is equal to P plus P, and figure C that shows O is equal to P plus of minus P. This is the diagram that represents how three adding cases in elliptic curves. And continued. Finding an inverse. The inverse of point x comma y is x comma minus y, where minus y is the additive inverse of y. For example, if p is equal to 13, the inverse of 4 comma 2 is 4 comma 11. Finding points on the curve. Algorithm 10.12 shows the pseudocode for finding the points on the curve E of p of a comma b. Here is the pseudocode for finding the points of an elliptic curve. Elliptic curve points p comma a comma b. X gives 0 while x less than p. Here w that gives x to the power of 3, x power 3 plus ax plus b mod of p, mod p. If w is the perfect square in zp, so x that gives x plus 1. The equation is y square is equal to x cube plus x plus 1, and the calculation is done modulo 13. Points of an elliptic curve over gf of p. Here plus p is equal to minus p. Blue color that mentions by plus p, and the orange color which is mentioned by minus b, the points that are plotted in the graph. And let us add 2 points in example 10.14. R is equal to p plus q, where p is equal to 4 comma 2 and q is equal to 10 comma 6. A lambda 6 minus 2 into 10 minus 4 minus 1 mod 13, which is equal to 4 into 6 power minus 1 mod 15 is equal to 5 mod 13. Now the x is equal to 5 square minus 4 minus 10 of mod 13, which is equal to 11 mod 13. Y is equal to 5 of 4 minus 11 minus of 2 mod 13 is equal to 2 mod 13. D is equal to D R is equal to 11 comma 2, which is the point on the curve in example 10.14. How about E base 23 of 1 comma 1? Let p is equal to 3 comma 10 and q is equal to 9 comma 11. So p plus q is equal to what? So 2p is equal to what? The answer given here to define the elliptic curve over g of of 2 power n, one needs to change the cubic equation. The common equation given here is y square plus xy is equal to x cube plus ax square plus b. So finding inverse, if p is equal to x comma y, then minus p is equal to x comma x plus y. Finding points on the curve, we can write an algorithm to find the points on the curve using generators for polynomial. Finding inverse, if p is equal to x comma y, then minus p is equal to x comma x plus y. Finding points on the curve, we can write an algorithm to find the points on the curve using generators for polynomials that we have already discussed in the previous chapters. This algorithm is left as an exercise. So we choose GF of 2 power 3 with the elements 2 power 8 with the elements 0, 1, g square, g cube, g power 4, g power 5, g power 6. Using the irreducible polynomial of f of x is equal to x cube plus x plus 1, which means that g cube plus g plus 1 is equal to 0, or g cube is equal to g plus 1. Other powers of g that can be calculated accordingly. The following shows the values of the g's 0, 1, g and g square. 0, 0, 0, 0, g3 is equal to g plus 1, 1, g4 is equal to g square plus g, g0, 1, 0, so g power 5 is equal to g power 2 plus g plus 1, g2, 1, 0, 0, g power 6 is equal to g power 2 plus 1. So finally we are getting 101. Again continued using the elliptic curves y square is equal to xy plus xy, which gives x cube plus g3 x square plus 1, with a is equal to g3 and b is equal to 1. We can find the points on this curve as shown in the figure 10.15. So points on the elliptic curve over gf of 2n. P is equal to minus b. Again that positive p it is highlighted by the blue color and minus b is highlighted by the orange color. The both plus b and minus b that are the points are that are plotted into the graph given here. This is the adding 2 points is equal to y2 plus y1 minus x2 plus x1. Example 10.17. Let us find r is equal to p plus q, where p is equal to 0, 1 and q is equal to g power square, 1. We can have del is equal to 0 and r is equal to g power 5, g power 4. Let us find r is equal to 2p, where p is equal to g power square minus 1. We can have a del is equal to g square plus 1 by g the whole square, 1 by g square, which is equal to g square plus g5 is equal to g plus 1, and r is equal to g6, g5. So this is the Elgamal crypto systems using the elliptic curve. Note, operations such as addition and multiplications are over an elliptic curve group. So again the communication between the Alice and Bob. Here the plain text that are given to the encryption. Through public key, the key generations will be happened, and again the encryption that are converted into the ciphertext by using a private key. The plain text by performing decryption, finally they get the original text. This is generating public key and private keys. E is equal to a, b, e1 x1 y1, d e2 of x2 y2 is equal to d into e1 of x1 y1. Here encryption C1 is equal to R into E1, C2 is equal to P plus R into E2, decryption P is equal to C2 minus D into C2. The minus sign here means adding with the inverse. Note, the security of ECC that depends on the difficulty of the solving the elliptic curve logarithmic problem. These are the some of the examples. Symmetric scheme, key size in bits. ECC based scheme, size of n in bits, RSA/DSA modular size in bits. 56, 80, 56 112 512 81 61 024 1 for 1112. ECC is 224, RSA is 204, symmetric 128, ECC 256, RSA 3072, symmetric 192, ECC 384 and RSA 7680, symmetric scheme 256, ECC 512, RSA 15360.